Hello, I'm Sonic. Welcome to the next part, showing different accents of Morse code letters. Variations of A. With diaresis. With grave accent. With acute accent. With circumflex. With tilde. With ring above. With macron. Now, AE. Next, variations of C. With cedilla. With Karen, used in Czech Republican or Bosnian languages. With acute accent. Next, variations of D. Its eth or D stroke. Well, that's an Icelandic letter. Next, variations of E. With grave accent. With acute accent. With circumflex. With diaresis. With macron. But that's enough for this part. Stay tuned.